so early and I don't know what.
침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 누르기 바래 조금만 이제는 어디까지 걷어졌지 여기서부터 다시 보면 되겠지 틀어놓을 테니까 영화를 넌 봄에 먹을 맥주 한 캔과 과자를 사 우린 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고 또 입을 맞추면서 다시 입을 맞추네 또 다시 입을 안으로 들어가 따뜻한 장판에 몸을 녹여 따뜻하 Oh baby I love you
This is us waiting for a bus. We are waiting for a bus to come in, and I'm really hesitated.
Fresh ka lang kasi ka.
Nandito na tayo! Hindi na po drawing.
Lonely is what it feels like South Korea.
Take memories with me. Ganda ko ng init na kami.
Hi. We just ordered hot coffee because it's so cold. Feels like South Korea. This is my bag. It's cute. Cute. And I ordered hamburger and it's so pretty late. What's the time?
1 o'clock already.
Yeah, it's already 1 in the morning. It's the happening right now. So we are in Baguio right now. So
Ito, budget.
feels like alone.
Magkano yung budget mo?
I have 1,000 budget for this trip.
1.5 ko naman.
Yeah.
Thank you God, you arrived safely. And eventually,
And actually guys, this is kala namin din kami makapunta sa Baguio kasi ang daming tao for this trip kasi I've seen sa internet na ang daming tao ngayon in January and December and hindi rin kami nag-book ng namin ng ticket namin for the bus. Guys, nagpara lang kami ng sasakyan namin. And
unfortunately, thank you.
meron 2 seats kanina. So sakto. Sinabi namin we are student from Baguio and sinabi namin we are student from Baguio and we need to go na here because
It's urgent.
it's urgent. Meron na kaming class.
Ganun yung nasa
Oo,
namin para
tapos sinabi
makapunta.
and we actually have discount. Uy, ano pala natin, goal natin na mamaya is mag-book na.
So mag-book tayo ng bus para kasi di ba magkaklase na tayo sa Lunes. Supposedly dapat babalik tayo sa Linggo in the evening para maka-rest tayo at maka-prepare sa ating first semester ay second semester.
Actually, wala rin naman kami gagawin for the 1 week. Pero we need to go for the attendance. 7 hours.
Bigyan ko. So, damit mo. Yung kalamay mo.
Kagandang tibi dito, anak.
Anong oras na din?
Normal na kanya. Sakdo daw. Around and around. It's around 4 a.m. We are near at the Burnham Park, right?
Dito ba? Ano part?
Yung hill, and I don't know. So, it's currently around
3:55. Ala, nag-visit yung convo namin.
around 3:55 in the morning. So we are here at Kofong Cafe and it's so early and I don't know where saan kami mapadpad kasi our Airbnb is around
7.
7 in the morning, right?
Yeah.
Tapos mag-nap lang kami and grab a bite. Tapos libot-libot na kami dito. And yeah, here's my videographer and photographer slash ako yung cameraman and I'm also the vlog. So let's go.
So, hi! Taititan ako agsada.
So, ito di bangka aya.
Oo, bilang, tayo. Mag-selfie nga tayo dito or magpa-picture. Tayong dalawa.
Itong bigato.
Tungdiyat, umaga na.
Ay, dito at SM?
Hindi pa dyan. Medyo malayo ng SM dito. Park pa lang dito. Picturing na ay, tiigap.
I think you're curving here, a real nice craft to see. You're a cutie face in XY space, not imaginary, but it's complex. The limits are infinitely great. I wish that we could co-sign, but that'll have to wait. We're asymptotic, we're on it to the end of linear time. Asymptotic, divided by the smallest, slimmest line. Asymptotic, obliquely, here's the point of the speech. As close as we could ever get, you're just out of reach. We're asymptotic, we're on it to the end of linear time. Asymptotic, divided by the smallest, slimmest line. Asymptotic, obliquely, here's the point of the speech. As close as we could ever get, you're just out of reach. We're asymptotic.
Namastan.
Hello po dito. Magta-taxi po. Doon nga po sa ano.
It is so beautiful. Ang ganda ng view.
It's derivative to say you're integral to me. We're off on our own tangents, fading constantly. I'll forget, like my college calc. Oh well. It was never meant to be. We were always parallel.
So, Hi guys, so it's been an hour. Hi Pia. Since my last update kanina, so we are already here at our Airbnb or our transient, and I will going to make a tour for you guys. Okay? Ito yung main door niya, papuntang exit. Ito yung main door ng room, and pag ganun mo, merong something dito, merong kettle, paglagyan ng hot water and rice cooker. Yeah, rice cooker to. Yeah, and may sabitan siya dyan. And pag ganun mo, merong closet, open closet. So nilagay ko na yung 2 long sleeve ko dito, yung gagamitin ko ngayon. And yan. And then they have sink in here. Okay, sorry guys if medyo magulo kasi magulo namin. Yun. Ang ganda guys, it's very minimalist. Hindi gaano maraming gamit. So ayun, meron namang sink dito, pag hugasan. And may paglutuan dito, paglutuan. Tapos dito is the CR na. Ito. Dito yung shower area, may heattech and all, ganun. Buksan natin yung ilaw. Okay, dito sa part na to is merong another sink. Ayan, dito. And paglakad natin here, merong bed. Has a king size, no? King size bed. Sorry, ang kalat. Yan eh. Hello, Pia. We already prepared, and may table pala dito guys. Yun lang, yun lang. Ang ganda ng view namin kasi ang taas namin dito. Ayun no. What place is this?
Ah?
Ano nga place?
Near to Mirador.
Yeah, near to Mirador. So yeah. As I said a while ago, we don't have itinerary for this trip. So, kung ano lang yung gusto namin puntahan is pupuntahan namin. Pero, I posted on my Instagram story kung merong magre-recommend ng places na want to visit, pwede. So, nagpe-prepare na kami kasi aalis na kami. Gabi na tayo uwi, no? Yeah. Lilibutin na namin talaga ngayon. Kasi tomorrow it is our travel again. Papunta ng Ilocos kasi sa Monday is meron na kaming pasok. So, yeah. So, meron pa naman kaming 1 day. Yeah, 1 day. 1 day and 1 night po. So, I will going to update you na lang guys. It's my first time again to talk with my camera. So, sana mag-work itong vlog na to. So, I will going to update you na lang guys. Pia.
Bye.
Hi. Bye-bye. Agamat yung jeep. are here.
First destination. Yan na.
So, nakasalukuyan po tayo na nandito po tayo sa, ano?
Mirador.
Sa Mira Garden?
Mirador.
Mirador Garden. So, nakikita nyo po ang ulap.
Meteorologist yan.
Nakikita nyo ang mga bahay at mga establishment. Nakikita nyo ang mga leaves. We are here kasi this is our last full day, so we might bili na lang ng mga pasalubong namin. Uy, kailan tayo bibili ng strawberry? Bukas na? Matay de, tama de. Oo. So we are looking for strawberry. Isa mas before we are going to Locos. I think we are lost in Baguio, no? Yeah, see.
Oh my gosh, ang oily na ng mukha ko naman.
We are going to SM right now, so pumunta lang kami dito sa market to buy some goods and also our pasalubong.
Ano dito nga, chick?
Hello, God. Look, we just met Miss
Baguio! She's so pretty!
So now, we almost, I think we are 80% na, no? Na naka-shopping. Tapos we are going to SM na to look some
Lang. So we are heading to SM after we just got from Baguio Market.
Let's go!
Hello, Gagi!
SM now.
It is your first time here. It's my second time to come. I know, it's my third time coming here.
I know it's my second time, but I didn't remember. Oh, the first time I've been. night. This is our last night here at Baguio City, and we are going to night market right now, and we are going to eat some food and try din namin mag-ukay, no? Unfortunately, hindi kami nakapunta sa mga ibang destination na gusto namin puntahan, pero soon pupuntahin namin. Ano yung hindi natin napuntaan? Sa Mines View.
Pero balita ko pero pwede tayo pumunta na sa maaga.
Haanin. Pumbigat? Baka mabaybayagan tanto. Diba inunaan? Haanin tanto pa lamangan. Ay, haan diretso tanton?
Dumot pa sulod mo dyan. Nilak-lak ang hindi market mismo.
Market. So, ayun. Wow! Hi! We're here at Session Road na.
Ingat kami.
Kasi yun
Our possibilities that TikTokers around here. Ay, kurang
Punta tayo doon. Chowking dito sa malapit sa Session Road. Babakmay lang. Hello guys, we are going to the night market right now. So cold. I think, ano nga degrees? 14? I think it's 14 degrees. Ah, so cold. Bitoy? Paano tayo makakalakad dyan? We're here na sa night market guys, because as we're here now at the
dyan? Mamilan.
Hey guys, good morning. So we about to check out now. So we are just ate our super early early na breakfast. Okay, it's our breakfast or brunch na. And
Lunch na to. Hindi na tayo kakain mamaya.
yeah, so we are going to check out na and few more hours before we going to left Baguio. So we are in this one. Hi. Dito kayo muluktanan?
Ano nga root? Agalunostan?
When?
Ay, tata.
Sure ka, itipon mo ta. Kahit mo? Nilukta kon. Katik di ko na?
Uda ka to.
Dinakaro ko man.
I think you're curvilinear, a real nice craft to see. You're a cutie face in XY space, not imaginary, but it's complex. The limits are infinitely great. I wish that we could co-sign. They'll have to wait.
We're asymptotic, we're on it to the end of linear time. Asymptotic, divided by the smallest slimmest line. Asymptotic, obliquely, here's the point of the speech. As close as we could ever get, you're just out of reach. We're asymptotic, we're on it to the end of linear time. Asymptotic, divided by the smallest slimmest line. Asymptotic, obliquely, here's the point of the speech. As close as we could ever get, you're just out of reach. We're asymptotic.
So we are at our bus
derivative to
station. So
say
we are going home now.
you're integral to me. We're off on our own tangents.
So, what can you say about this
I'll
trip?
forget, like my college calc. Oh well.
Tapos nagkasakit pa siya.
Hypothermia, hypothermia.
Always
It's so cold. My body cannot handle
low temperature.